Hello kids, today we will learn about the chapter Parts of Computer, third chapter of the Olympiad. So let's start with we will learn about the parts of computer, solve the question, how they come. So let's start with little bit information about the parts of computer. Go back and check the other two videos which having the two chapters, first and second. Let's start. There are four primary parts of computer, which is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So these are the important base of the computer. Any computer monitor, it should have CPU, keyboard and mouse. Some other parts also are available that can work with the computer. So some also available that works as an input device or output device. In last chapter we learn about the input processing output cycle, so IPO. So from where we can give the input to the system and from where we can give to get the output from the computer. So uh, let's start. First is keyboard. Keyboard used to enter information into the computer. So if you want to enter anything, for example you enter your name, you need to use the keyboard. Next is mouse. Mouse pointing device used to move cursor. Is it used for pointing? Means you need to point something on the computer. You need to use mouse to drag and drop. You need to select anything. You need to use mouse. Next is printer, used to print the work shown on monitor on the printer. If you want to print anything, you need to use the printer. From soft copy to hard copy, we need to use printer. This is an output device. Microphone, used to record voice into the computer. So when we need to communicate with the computer, we need to record something, any voice, we use microphones. Headphone, used to listen to music without disturbing others. In headphone we put the headphone on our ears so that you can only listen to the music. This is an output device. So keyboard is input device, mouse is input device, printer is an output device, microphone is input device, headphone is output device. Next is monitor. It's look like a television. In your house you can see the television. Its monitor also similar like that. Shows text, images and data. Monitor shows the text, images, data you enter on using input device. So monitor is a output device you can see on the computer. Next is speaker, used to listen to music. It is used to listen music. It is an output device. You can hear the sound from the computer using speakers, and it is publicly open and it is listened by everyone who is nearby the computer. Next is CPU, called as brain of computer, mean a part of the computer. All important things that is using for processing, we using CPU. CPU full form is Central Processing Unit. So it is important and it's we called it as brain of the computer. Next is webcam, used while doing video call. So webcam is an input device, so it's using for taking the picture of the person which is front of the computer. So we using webcam. Joystick, joystick used while playing games on the computer. So you can move and move mouse like things using joystick. So these are the input, output and processing devices. Let's start with the questions. First is unscramble the letter of the given word and select the correct statement. What is that, kids? You need, this is speaker. So speaker, it is used to listen to music without disturbing others. It can be used without disturbing it. Listen to music but without disturbing which device we use. We using headphones, so it's not a speaker. It can be used to hear any sound coming from a computer. Yes, we can. We are using for hearing any sound coming from the computer. It can use to print pictures. No, we using printer for it. It control all the other parts of the computer. No, CPU is doing that thing because it is a brain of the computer, that like our brain works for a whole body parts, that same like CPU doing for the computer. A computer works on IPO cycle. Which part of computer can be used to input data? Computer works on IPO cycle that learn in the last chapter, input process output cycle. Which part of computer can be used to input? We learned about the input devices. Keyboard is for inputting enter keys, enter data. Mouse is for pointing device on the computer. Printer is output device. So answer is D. A and B both are the input devices. I am a device that helps you to hear sound while watching your favorite cartoon movie on a computer. Who am I? Hear sound while watching your favorite cartoon. Mouse is for pointing device, we can't hear from it. Speaker, yes, using speaker we can listen the music, hear the music. Next is webcam is for taking video, not output device, not hearing sound. So answer is B. Select the incorrect match. This is microphone, this is CPU, this is joystick, this is webcam. So select the incorrect match. Okay, this is microphone, yes, right. This is joystick, yes. This is web camera, yes. This is UPS, uninterrupted service, power supply, uninterrupted power, not CPU. So if it is UPS is used for when light is gone, light is switch off, then computer will run for 5 minutes more so that you can save your data. So UPS is using for it. Next is CPU is considered as the main part of computer because it control all the functions and other connected parts of the computer. Yes, because it's like brain that we have in our body which controls all our system. Same like CPU is doing for our computer. It has several button keys that allows to enter data. No, this is keyboard. It is a pointing device. No, this is a mouse. So answer is A. Identify me. I am helpful while playing games on the computer. I have a long lever and buttons on it. Mouse not using on, it's don't have the long lever. Keyboard is we don't use for playing games. We using it but it don't have the long lever. Microphone is also not. It is you be using joystick for playing games, it having long lever that we saw in here. So this is long lever here, and we have the buttons over it you can use while playing the games. Next is scramble the letters of the given word and select the device related to it. So this is monitor. No, in monitor we don't have P. Next is printer. Next is webcam. Webcam no W. Next is scanner, no S. So it's the printer. So we get print out from it. Print out. So we get print out from the printer. The device shown in the given image is off and it is used to, this is microphone. Oh, sorry, headphone. Headphone is listen to music without disturbing others. Yes, so this is headphone, you know. This is not the speaker, so C and D will not the answer. A and B is will be the answer, but we need to read. Listen to music without, yes. Headphone capture a video, no. Webcam is used for capturing the video. Oh, so answer is A. Match the following. Column 1 and 2. So in another video I tell you that how we need to solve. We need to first read the column 2 question. Considered as a processing unit of a computer. So which is the processing unit of the computer? Its answer is B, which is CPU. Used during video chat with other people using webcam. So answer is C. Runs computer for some time during power failure. So it is a UPS. So A answer is with 3. So A with 3, B 1 and C 2. Next is select the part of a computer that contains alphabet key, spatial key, number key, arrow key that are having keyboard. Using mouse we can drag and drop, yes. Move cursor on the screen, yes. Control all the functions of the computer, both A and B. So it is using for cursor, move cursor, drag and drop. Control all the function we using CPU, so not the answer C. Which of the following can be considered as a display device of a computer? Monitor, easy. Next is, which of the following part of computer contains scroll wheel? Scroll wheel we have on it, mouse. No webcam, headphone, monitor, we only have on mouse. Select the incorrect statement about the part of computer shown in the given image. You can watch cartoon movies on it. Data entered from keyboard is displayed on it. It can be used to print data on paper. All of these. This is a monitor. So where we use it? It cannot be used for printer. It's showing the display the keyboard. Yes. Watch movies. All of these no. Identify the device. This is mouse. No. This is joystick, no. Webcam, no. This is a trackball. Okay, kids. Solve the exercise. I will share the worksheet for it. And thank you. Bye bye.